Hey traders, hope you're having a great day. Altcoins are showing a bit of strength today, and XLM is looking slightly bullish. Currently trading around 18 cents, the big question is this the start of the next bullish move or just a bull trap? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's jump into the analysis. Also, our XLM trading signal with strong support levels and next price targets has just been posted on Patreon. Join now, link in the description and bio. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This is not financial advice.